In this session, we're still busy with the module parameters option, email setup. We're busy with the general tab. So I'm going to click on email setup, and then I click on setup in the bottom right corner. Now there's actually three options here. Under email client or indirect, you've got two options, or you, instead of using third-party software to send the email for you, you can send the email directly out of IQ. But let me explain the email client option first. In other words, you are going to use your default email program to send the emails. Let me give you an example. You would like to email all your data statements at the end of the month. How are you going to do it? Do you want to use your third-party software? For instance, I will use Microsoft Outlook. Or do you want to send it directly out of the system? If you say you want to use the third-party software option, in other words, the email client, you've got two choices. You can send it normally, or if you're using Windows Live Mail, in other words, Microsoft Windows 7's email program, then you just have to make that change, because it works better with Live Mail if you make that selection. So you've got your two choices. All other programs will be fine on the normal option. Or, if you want to send it directly out of the program, you just have to set up an SMTP server. I've set up one here already, but let me show you. I'm going to click on the SMTP server, and I'm going to edit the option here. You will click on add. Here you type in a name, you type in your host, your SMTP server, you type in the username you've got with them, the port, the default is 25, Gmail's is 465, then the return email address, and then the password. Not all email servers will have a password for you. You will also choose the encryption according to their standards. Then you can specify how many times you would like to try to send this email and the delay between the tries. Then you can test it, and if it comes back saying that it's tested, it looked at the detail, then you can click on accept. You can close the setup, and then all you do is you select which email client you're going to use here. And that concludes the setup of email under module parameters.